Digital investors, what is going on? Welcome back to another video where we cover everything that is going on inside of the crypto space. We have some good stuff to go over today, from traders piling into altcoins. We have some altcoins showing some nice green, all the way to some XRP stuff. Here we have an article saying why the XRP price could double. We also have a really great article out of Yahoo Finance saying XRP has more reason to moon as Ripple proposes smart contracts capability for the XRPL, which is pretty cool. We also have some Budweiser stuff. They're getting into NFTs, which is absolutely insane. And we're going to start here quickly on Facebook getting in also on this NFT boom, which is honestly pretty crazy. So if you guys are frequent viewers of the show and you would like to show some support, tap the like button. It really does help a ton to get this video out in the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are trying to stay up to date on everything going on in the crypto markets, then make sure you subscribe so you get videos like this covering everything that is going on. Also, hit the bell so you're notified when I do upload. So we'll just hit on this very quickly. Facebook looking to weigh in on the NFT boom. Just want to show you guys the takeaways here. So David Marcus, he's the head of Facebook Financial, has told Bloomberg that the firm is definitely looking at adding support for NFTs. Now, honestly, guys, this doesn't come as a surprise since they were also working on their own cryptocurrency, Libra, which I think now is DMs. So really not surprising that Facebook is getting into NFTs when we know that they also want to get into their own actual cryptocurrencies, right? Especially NFTs. You know, if people weren't interested in the cryptocurrency, a lot of people are definitely going to be interested in the NFTs, which just could help them get that adoption for their coin. They also go over Facebook plans on supporting NFTs within its Novi crypto wallet. The wallet will also be used for stablecoins, and the social networking giant is only the latest in a string of major companies to adopt or express interest in digital collectibles, which leads us right into this Budweiser stuff. Budweiser uses $120,000 to purchase fan art NFT in a beer.eth domain, which is pretty crazy, right? I know we've been looking at crypto domains in the past, and to see Budweiser purchase a .ethereum domain is just, it's kind of mind-boggling. So let's see what's going on. They appear to have unofficially sanctioned a piece of an NFT after purchasing it for use on its Twitter profile. According to records from the OpenSea marketplace, the beer producer purchased a Budweiser branded rocket ship NFT on August 24th for 8 Ethereum, or roughly $25,000. So quite the lucky person who was selling that NFT made a quick 25K off Budweiser. That is how you do it right there. The company used the life of the party image featuring 3 beer cans making up the body of a rocket ship for its official Twitter profile picture. At the time of publication, Budweiser has about 225,000 followers. Yada yada. They also say, acknowledging the NFT creator Tom Sachs with a retweet, Budweiser seems to be taking another step into the crypto and blockchain space with this purchase. Also on August 11th, the company bought the domain name beer.eth through Ethereum name service on OpenSea for 30 Ethereum, which at the time was worth 96,000 US dollars. So that is also pretty crazy, right? Clearly they are putting a decent chunk of change, and it's Budweiser, so this is probably just peanuts to them, right? But to us, or at least to me, $120,000 is quite a stake to be putting down. Of course, for Budweiser, I'm sure it is nothing more than a drop in the bucket to them, but nonetheless, they are coming over. We also have one of the largest social media giants coming over. Remember that Facebook also owns Instagram, so who knows what we could see going on with Instagram. Maybe they could get into some NFTs there. That could be really, really crazy for adoption and a whole bunch of other things. Here we have XRP has more reason to moon as Ripple proposes a smart contracts capability for XRPL. This is a really great article out of Yahoo Finance. So I wanted to bring it to you guys. If you guys are enjoying the video, ask you guys again, if you could please tap the like button. It really does help me a ton. So obviously Ripple is continuing to develop its ecosystem, and it's announced a new development which is likely to thrust the XRPL as a challenger to Ethereum and BSC in the smart contract arena. David Schwartz, who is the CTO of Ripple, revealed that this feature to the public while sharing his vision on the 7th of June. This feature is called Federated Sidechains. The new addition is very beneficial for the cryptocurrency community as they would be able to operate a sidechain to XRPL easily. The main focus of these sidechains is to let developers implement more amazing features such as smart contracts. The developers of XRP will also have an opportunity to conduct trials on a sidechain while utilizing the complete power of the XRPL. David also stated that the software named Federator is going to serve as a bridge between sidechain and the XRPL. The concept would allow each sidechain to have its own ledger and transactions, as well as a federation system that allows XRP and sidechain issued tokens like BTC, fiat, or CBDCs to move from one sidechain to another. XRP will be used as the native token to power the main XRPL. In addition, XRP can also be used as the native token for running the sidechains, or any application built on the sidechains may also opt to issue their own tokens which are compatible with XRPL. So that's great that XRP, is kind of the center focus of this. Maybe not the main focus, but it will be and can be utilized. That is great to see. These new tokens shall be named Federated Assets, and Federated Assets imported onto the XRPL itself would trade on the XRPL's integrated decentralized exchange. XRP imported onto sidechains would be used for liquidity on the XRPL integrated DEX as well. They also say that countries will now be able to issue CBDCs on XRPL, with the XRPL the most adopted ledger amongst financial institutions. Having the sidechain upgrade will allow banks, financial institutions, central banks, and even governments to issue their own bank issue tokens, CBDCs, or other forms of digital money and financial products on the XRPL. They say hence this upgrade is a lot more significant than it may seem at first glance. It could propel XRPL to become the most powerful blockchain due to the good relationship with banks, which Ripple has painstakingly taken years to build, which is a great point that they bring up, right? As we know, Ripple has massive partnerships, and a lot of them, right? I'm sure they have tons of partnerships that are also under NDA that they just don't talk about. That's just the nature of business. Anyways, guys, this isn't new news, but Yahoo Finance did do a pretty good job of summing it up, and we're having this right here for the masses to see. So that is awesome. And we also have this out of XRP. They give 3 reasons why the XRP price could double within the next few days, and this was posted today. So will we see some short-term price action? These guys think so. They say the XRP price is trading inside of an ascending parallel channel, hinting at a bullish move shortly. Ripple is forming a bullish pennant on a lower time frame that could trigger a 47% advance, and a steady increase in daily active addresses suggests rising interest among users, supporting an optimistic outlook. So as of right now, all of the favors are pointing to optimism and bullishness for XRP, and honestly for the rest of the crypto market as well, especially as we have more coins starting to post up more gains and getting back into price discovery, really giving us great confirmation that the bull market is likely to still be on, and it is not over after all. They did post this of XRP going up in this ascending channel. They put this fair value gap here. So as you can see, we kind of are trading under resistance right now. They have this fair value gap drawn, and I'm sure what they're trying to point out the most here is that once we get above this and we can start trading above resistance, hopefully just cross this fair value gap and then either start going sideways or continue to just pump, then things are going to start to look very positive for XRP. And they also give us this shorter term time frame where they're showing us in this pennant here. Honestly, guys, things look great to me. We've had a lot of ups and downs, right? A lot of back and forth action, but over the long run, if we take a look from when our bear market ended right here, back when the whole pandemic kind of started, overall, guys, we are just moving up, right? Yes, there's big whiplash, there's massive moves to the upside followed by crashes to the downside, but overall, over the long term, we are moving up, and I doubt we will stay steady, right? I'm sure XRP is going to continue to be a volatile asset, probably one of the most volatile assets, but where there is volatility, there is always going to be a lot of opportunity. At the same time, we also have this out of Forbes, where at least Forbes is saying bankers are issuing a seismic warning for not only Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and XRP. They're saying it could replace the dollar in just 5 years as the crypto market price adds 1 trillion. This was from a poll of mostly banking executives, found most think that Bitcoin and digital assets could replace fiat currencies like the US dollar within the next 5 to 10 years, a shift described as seismic. And what really gets me is how short term this time frame is, right? They're saying the next 5 to 10 years, which is, I mean, it might seem like long right now, but honestly, that's pretty quick, right? Scrolling down here, they say, we uncovered several findings that illustrate a seismic shift in financial services resulting from the evolution of blockchain-based digital assets. And this is coming from some consultant. They say her name is Linda. I really don't want to say that last name, so I'm not going to even attempt it. But she's representing Deloitte here. They say 76% of finance professionals think Bitcoin and crypto could serve as an alternative to or replacement for fiat currencies in the next 5 to 10 years. And that's also pretty shocking, right? 76% of them. These numbers have, or at least these percentages, have really flipped from even just a year ago. You know, a year ago, most people thought crypto was a joke. Now we have even finance professionals, in this case 76% of them, saying crypto is the furthest thing from the joke and that it could overtake the US dollar within 5 to 10 years. So it's been, you know, quite a flippening that has happened. They also say, this is in the report, that the foundation of banking has been fundamentally outlived, and financial services industry players must redefine themselves and find innovative ways to create economic growth in the future of money. Also said by the same person representing Deloitte. So pretty crazy, right? We have that coming out of Forbes. We also have this right here: traders pile into altcoins after Bitcoin price bounces at key support. And they go over some of those altcoins that are posting gains, which we could see that rotation going into. And these are the altcoins right here. They are Telos up 32%, Gnosis up 29%, Alpha Finance up 17%, Tezos, which it's finally great to see Tezos going up, getting some gains here, up 15% at $4.58. It has definitely been lagging behind the rest of the market. We also have Horizon up 14%, XYO Network, which I've never heard of, up 14%, and Fetch.ai up 13%, which is nice to also see another AI style altcoin moving up the leaderboards. Our fear and greed index for today, guys, is at 73 in greed. And with that said, that is the video for today. If you enjoyed it, make sure you tap the like button, as it really does help to push this video in the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified for every video I put out. And with that said, guys, I will see you on the next one. Hope you guys are all having a great day and take care.